Hey everyone, want to create a self-extracting archive with WinRAR? A self-extracting archive, or SFX, is an executable file that can extract its contents without requiring the recipient to manually open an archive program. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create self-extracting archives with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the files or folders you want to package. Yeah, you can select a single file, multiple files, or an entire folder. Right-click the selected files and choose Add to Archive from the WinRAR menu. This opens the Archive Settings window where we can configure the self-extracting option. Choose the archive format you want to use. Yeah, for a self-extracting archive, we'll use the RAR format for this example. Now look for the Create SFX Archive option and enable it. SFX stands for Self-Extracting Archive. Once enabled, WinRAR will create an executable file instead of a normal RAR archive. For more control, click the Advanced SFX Options button. Yeah, this lets you customize how the self-extracting archive behaves when someone opens it. Under the SFX options, you can configure the extraction path. You can leave it empty to let the user choose where the files should be extracted, or specify a suitable destination when your use case requires it. You can also add a custom message that appears when the SFX archive starts. Yeah, this can be useful for installation instructions or simple information about the files. To make the archive easier to identify, you can customize its title. Enter a descriptive title that tells users what the package contains. Once you've finished configuring the options, click OK to close the SFX settings. Then click OK again in the main archive window. Yeah, WinRAR will now create your self-extracting executable. Before sharing the file, test it yourself. Click the SFX executable and follow the extraction process. Choose a test folder and verify that all the expected files are extracted correctly. If the contents are sensitive, you can also use WinRAR's password protection when creating the archive. Yeah, choose a strong password and keep it separate from the archive when sharing it. Remember, an SFX archive is an executable file. Only run self-extracting archives from sources you trust and scan downloaded files with your security software before opening them. Never assume an executable file is safe simply because it came inside an archive. And that's how to create self-extracting archives with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're packaging files for easier distribution or creating a convenient extraction package, SFX archives can make sharing files much simpler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.